In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Hidalife Smart Door Lock with Keypad and Fingerprint Entry. This is a great upgrade if you're tired of carrying keys or you want to give family and guests easy, secure access. I'll start with the installation video and then give you my review and final thoughts of it at the end. But begin by removing your old doorknob and latch. All you should need to do this is a Phillips head screwdriver to remove a couple of screws. Your doorknob might look a little bit different than this, but the concept is the same. Once you remove those, the lock and the knob should pull apart smoothly and without any need to pull or tug. You'll also remove these two screws that are holding the latch into the door. Once again, it should pull out very smoothly without getting stuck or any need to put any excessive force on it. Before we start, do a little bit of measuring and make sure that your door is going to be compatible with this door and this lock. This is pretty standard stuff here, but if you've got a unique door or you've got a unique handle or knob or something, it just might not work. So definitely measure before you order the lock. But once everything is off, install the new latch that comes with the Hidalife lock, making sure that the slanted edge is facing the direction that the door closes. Then just tighten the screws so that the latch sits flush. Next, slide the exterior keypad assembly through the door and you're going to route that cable underneath the latch and into the interior side. Once you've got the keypad through the door, you'll hold it in place while you attach the mounting plate on the inside. Thread the cable through that center opening, align the screw holes, and then secure everything with the included long screws. You'll notice I'm using a hand screwdriver here and not a power drill. That's intentional so that we don't over tighten anything or crack the door. But once the keypad and interior plate are firmly mounted, connect the cable to the interior module, install the battery compartment, insert a 9-volt battery, and just attach the interior cover. Next, attach the door handles. This is really easy. They simply press into place. And as a safety feature, they require a special key if you ever wanted to remove them. You'll set your master code following the instructions in the manual, then add your fingerprints, permanent codes, one-time codes, depending on who needs access. But overall, I'm in love with this thing. The lock can store up to 50 different fingerprints and 20 normal codes. It's very responsive. I have other electronic door locks that take a little bit of time to respond. It has a really convenient passage mode switch, so if you want the door to stay unlocked for kids, deliveries, or you're having people over, you can do that too. So you can also choose your auto lock delay between 2 and 99 seconds, which is a big help if your family or friends often forget to lock the door, or maybe you're having people over and you want to turn that off so that they can come in and out. I would also say that the instructions are very user-friendly and very helpful. These door locks and the programming can get a little confusing at times, but overall, big fan of this. I really like the wave handle. I really like the matte black. If you're in the market for something like this, give it a shot. Easy installation, easy programming, excellent quality. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns and have a great day.